Hello, this is Tommy, and so I'm here. This is our laser cutting workshop. Here we have two workshops. One is material preparation, and another one is assembly, cutting assembly workshop. Here you can see that there's all the semi-finished cutting machines basement. This is a 3 meter by 1.5, and the other one is the two cutting there. So this is also semi-finished product there. And in that direction there was the assembly workshop. So let's go to see the machine inside. So you can see that this is our company name, Wuhan Lianchuang Photoelectric Technology Company Limited. So you can see, let's go inside. And this is our workshop. You can see that we all have the laser cutting machines assembly here. And this is the two cutting machine, and this is 6 meters and 5 axis. You can see that, okay. And so here, this is the rotary fixture here, the cutting position here, and then when the cutting tool finished here, there was downloading point. So the tool cutting finished will go to in this place, and then you can check out. So this is a 5 axis tool cutting. And there was another one. There's the more complicated, and there was no tailing, no rest to cutting machine. And here, this is the open side of the 6 meter by 2 meters, 3 kilowatt laser cutting machine. So you can see that we have already assembled electronic components, computers, and also the BCS 100 inside of it. And here, this is to connect with the air conditioner to keeping this electronic parts in the very low and not high temperatures to keep it continue working in here. And also we have individual electronic components, but that's all, it depends on the customer's requirements. So here right now we are testing this machine. Okay then. So we also have the logo here, and later we can see. So this is a 6 meter by 2 meters. And there you can see, so normally we have two kind of colors. So one is for this orange color with the white, and all here this blue and white. This is very particular. So we made OEM for Penta chutian, and sometimes we also can supply this kind of the same configuration of the laser cutting machine. So this is a 3 meter by 1.5. I think this is the same, the table. And also this one, this is our own colors, orange and white. You can see that. There's a 3 meter by 1.5 and a 4 meter by 2. So this is we OEM for the Penta chutian. And this is we OEM for another company. I'm sorry, I can't tell you which company name of it. And this is 6 meter by 2 meters. Also OEM for the Penta. So let's go to the back side to see. It is an exchange table. Oh. So normally you can see that all the machine here have already finished, and then we will disassemble and to pack and ship to the customer site. And also we have this individual electronic components, if possible, if a customer need it. Okay, now here, there is another laser tool cutting, and you can see that there was a difference. And in this part, it's the same. There was a real fixture to move the tube, go forward or backward. And here, this is the operational panel, and this is the cutting position. But the difference is here. So there is another fixture to move forward or backward. So sometimes when you're cutting the tube, there will be some resting, maybe some tailing things, tools. And then when you put into this position, you can move forward and backward to cutting. So you can keep the 6 meters or maybe even longer. There is no wave. The all can be cutted. So by this designing, there were no waves of the tool cutting. So we also have already considered right now we have already packed the machine, and the machine will be shipped to the customer site. So some materials have already packed. And this is our workshop, the assembly of the laser cutting. And this machine will be shipped this afternoon. So we have to do the final testing and then ship it. Yeah. So we'll go to the next workshop to see some basic producing of the laser cutting machine. So this is our guarantee. So you can see that this is right now we have aluminum guarantee and metal guarantee. So it depends on the customer's requirement. And this is our warehouse. All this part is all the warehouse, all the components inside of the laser cutting machine will be all inside. This is our warehouse. Okay, let's go to the next workshop. So we will go to our cutting workshop and the welding workshop. Sometimes when the cutting machines, the baseman need to get a beginning here to do some processing. So okay, you can see that this is our cutting workshop, and all the machine bodies will to cut here, and then we will do some welding preparation there. You can see that this is the side interface of the cutting machine, and this is guarantee, and also there's welding here. There's all welding workshop there. They will do the welding of the machine's body. So we also make this longer size of the cutting machine. So this one is 12 meters with the rail designing. Sometimes when you like a bigger or longer machine, so you can consider this one.